Welcome to our series of how to maintain your Titan Pro garden machinery. Before carrying out any work, please ensure the engine is switched off and the spark plug is disconnected.
Hello, today we'll be fitting the bump heads and brush cutter blade to the Titan Pro series of brush cutters. Tools you will need will be a 17mm spanner and a 4mm Allen key. Okay, firstly we're going to insert our Allen key or small screwdriver in this hole to lock the head. There is a locating hole in the spacer. You can rotate the head to find that. The Allen key will slip into it and lock the head. When you undo the head, you must remember that it's a reverse thread. So, undoes clockwise. Spin it till it's free. There we go, the head is off. Okay, now underneath you'll have a spacer which will come out like so. There's the hole that you locate your Allen key in, which locks the head. Okay, and it's simple to put back together. Always remember to put this spacer in, because if you don't, you'll never get the head off again. Okay, so we're going to reinsert the spacer. We're going to lock it off again. And then we're going to reinstall the head. Remember that it's a reverse thread, so as you'd normally undo something, it's actually tighten on this. Okay, you don't want to over tighten this, just a good hand tight. Okay, remove your Allen key or small screwdriver and you're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to install the blade. We keep the spacer in place. Obviously refer back to the previous part of the video to show you how to remove the head. Again, we're going to lock this in place. Okay. Then we're going to fit the blade with the rotation anti-clockwise as you look down at the machine, so the arrow facing that way. And we seat the blade on there, and then we put this spacer on, which we put this way round, and it fits onto the spline like that, making sure that this is seated onto the spacer above it firmly. Then we're going to get our bolt, and we're going to take that, and remember it's still reverse thread, so we're going left rotation or anti-clockwise to attach it. Do that finger tight, still keeping your Allen key in place to lock it. Then using a 17mm spanner, we're going to tighten it anti-clockwise. You don't want to go too tight. That should be plenty. And there you go, one blade installed.
To purchase any spares for our Titan Pro garden machinery, please follow the link below.